Hey guys, welcome back. So, let's do something a little different. Quarantine, day life, I think day 60. So me personally, I just got furloughed another 30 days. So my estimated time to go back to work would be June 15th right now, which kind of sucks. So, as probably many of you, I'm bored. I'm trying to figure stuff to do. And right now, it's time to make some coffee. So make my little espresso, just it needs to. So this is like the only thing that is keeping me awake right now. So now with my coffee, take a little masonry jar. So we got our ice, and then let's get our syrup in there. 1, 2, 3. All right, and now we're just waiting for our espresso. Now we got our espresso done, so let's pour that into our cup and shake it up. On top too, just to kind of just fill it up a little bit, and then put the lid on top. And again, this is a sealed top, so all said and done. And then we shake it up. And then you shake it for a few seconds, and then boom, all done. So let's make some eggs too. So we got our, grass-fed, a little grease right here, so it makes it a little bit easier instead of butter. Let's spray that bad boy up. There we go. Alright, we're gonna add some pepper, some salt, and beat them all up. Alright, and let's throw them in. Simple breakfast of coffee, eggs. Not bad. So let me eat this and then take a shower. All right, so took my shower, feeling great. No point in really doing styling of the hair because just no point. But so now my next part of my day right now, since I'm kind of spending my time, I'm looking at this auction. So this auction sells charitable donation vehicles. So it starts in about 20 minutes, so I got my eye on a few, see if I can get something really cheap and have fun with it. Pick it up, take it to my buddy's shop, where if we go out to my buddy's shop today, then I'll show you guys something really cool. Our other friend brought up his supercar from Los Angeles, and yeah, maybe we can go take it for a spin. Didn't buy anything on the online auction, so yeah, now we're just gonna go hang out on my buddy's shop. We're gonna go check out his our other buddy's supercar, and yeah, just gonna get this going right now. So on my love, yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a daily vlog now. I don't care, what we're doing. Just me. So what I've learned with any kind of, if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing TikTok, Instagram, promoting, whatever you're doing, just consistency. So I'm literally just gonna upload a video probably a day, maybe every other day, just kind of put things together. And right now, being furloughed and not working, and just trying to do something with my time, create a hobby, since I got extended yesterday another 30 days. And by the way, I'm in Sacramento, California, so California's been on shelter in place since March 19th, and that's the day I got furloughed, and I work in the automotive business. I am a parts counter person for a car dealership here in Sacramento. So I've been furloughed for almost 2 months now, and it's definitely been a very surreal feeling for this, and it's definitely more difficult than I thought it would be. You know, it's cool to have a few days off, maybe a week off, but going on 2 months, it's pretty ridiculous, you know. So it's, you know, it is what it is. You know, we just gotta, you know, do something with your time. And then, as well as my sister who works in the Bay Area, she works for a nice big tech company. She's been on shelter in place even longer. So what she did, she came and stayed with me for going on 2.5 months now. I love my sister. It's been fun. You know, it's just, you know, it's one of those things where you've had your own space, now you don't have your own space. And mind you, again, priorly in the past, many years ago, we actually lived together for a long period of time. And even when I lived in LA, in my little studio apartment, we lived together for about 2 months when she had a internship or fellowship at UCLA. So this is not out of the norm. We have lived together before in small confined places. This is a lot bigger. We have a nice house, but it's like, dang it. So on my way now to my buddy's shop, we're gonna go, show you the cool supercar we have there, and show you the shop. Just, you know, this is my daily life right now that I've been, you know, for the last month and a half. I will say though, for the first three weeks, I did stay home. I didn't do anything because that was, you know, I thought, you know, there's nothing open, you can't do anything. So we're just like, oh, what are we gonna do? So a lot of puzzles, a lot of video games, which again, I rarely ever play video games, and I was stuck on it for about a week, and then I felt like my brain was gonna explode. So all right, on the way. All right guys, just got to my buddy's shop, and wow. By the way, this is Peter. We won't show him too much because he might be a spy for the Serbian government, but you know, we'll just keep it that way. But dang, this car is absolutely gorgeous. So we're just gonna do a small slow-mo reveal in 3, 2, 1. Mclaren 600 LT. Now again, the easiest way to tell that it is a 600 LT is because the 600 LTs are the only ones that have the exit exhaust coming out right here. Beautiful car. So a good friend of mine, this is his lovely purchase, which he's had for a little bit of time, but just with the carbon fiber. And me personally, I'm a fan of the orange, guys. I like obnoxious colors, which it just suits the car. Like if you're buying a supercar, Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, you need to have one of these cars. The only colors, but I would say the only car that doesn't fit that would be Aston Martin. Aston Martin's more kind of a classier kind of vehicle. But going back to it, this thing is absolutely stunning. The wheels, all the carbon fiber, it is just gorgeous. But on the other note, so this is my friend's shop. He does mobile detailing. We're out here in Rancho Cordova, which is close to Sacramento, California. Yep, you know, we just hang out here, and this is what we do sometimes for the most part, especially right now during quarantine, which, you know, can't really do anything. We're 6 feet apart, by the way, 6 feet apart, so, you know, we're good. All right, so, yeah, we'll see what else I can come up with today. All right, guys, so back at my house. It was fun being at the shop, you know, only spent there for a little bit of time, but so that is pretty much the end of the vlog. So tomorrow's gonna be a fun little project. Just got my little package here, excited about that. But thank you for guys for watching. Don't need to subscribe, don't need to like, just watch it, see what you wanna do, all right? Thank you guys, see you in the next vlog.